Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a lemonade game in Scratch. First, let's set up our project. Open Scratch and select a fun backdrop for your game. Next, create two main sprites, one for your lemonade stand and another for your customer. We'll also need to establish some key variables, such as your starting money, the price of your lemonade, and your current inventory of drinks. This foundation is crucial for building a dynamic and engaging game experience. Now, let's dive into the core game logic. We'll program our customer sprite to move towards the stand and ask for lemonade. When a customer decides to buy, we'll implement a sales mechanism that processes the transaction. This involves updating your money variable by adding the lemonade price and decreasing your inventory by one drink. This interaction forms the heart of your lemonade stand business, making each sale feel rewarding. A key part of any business is pricing. We'll add controls that let the player adjust the selling price of their lemonade. You'll see how changing the price, even by a small amount like 25 cents, can impact how many customers want to buy. We'll also set up a system to calculate your daily profit, taking into account your sales and any initial costs. This helps players understand basic economic principles in a fun way. To make the game even more engaging, let's add some enhancements. Consider including options for players to purchase upgrades, like better ingredients or advertising, to boost sales. We'll also implement a clear game over condition, perhaps if your money drops below $0. Finally, adding sound effects and visual feedback for sales and other actions will make the game much more interactive and enjoyable for players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.